To turn any website into an application or a desktop app, you first want to go to your browser. Then from your browser, you want to search for this current application called Web Catalog. After you search for it, you want to go to webcatalog.io. So let's click on that. And from here, we can choose to download it for which operating system we want. I'm currently using Windows. If you're using macOS or Linux, you could click on those buttons and it will download it for that operating system. So if you also use Windows, you can just click on download for Windows. Then we wait for it to install. After it installs, you want to click on the .exe file. After it installs, this page will appear to you. From this page, you want to sign in into Web Catalog. So I'm going to sign in and come back. After you finish the whole process, you're able to use the application and turn your websites into desktop apps. To do that, you want to go to Discover, and from Discover, you can just click install on any applications you like. For example, I have YouTube installed by clicking on install, and it's now embedded into my computer. So if I search into my laptop YouTube, I'll find YouTube as an application inside my laptop. Or for other applications you want, you could click on Gmail, then you can click install, and you're ready and good to go. On the home page, you're able to find most of the applications that you have installed. For example, I already have YouTube installed, and if I click on YouTube, it's going to open the application. And after you open your application, or for example YouTube, you're able to see this right here, which is basically a tab of your YouTube, and you're able to create more than one profile, which is more than one identity for YouTube. So you can scroll or watch your video from different accounts, or you can create different tabs, which will just make another YouTube tab for you. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next one. Goodbye.